Hi, it's Dr. Connie Casebolt-Carver at Greenville Forum Health. And today's topic is how does stress affect a woman's health? We women are really susceptible to stress because we are caregivers. Sometimes it seems like the weight of the world is on our shoulders. This can make it seem like a saber-toothed tiger is chasing us all the time. And so when we're under chronic stress, our sympathetic nervous system goes high and we have difficulty relaxing, which is our parasympathetic nervous system. When that can happen, you can have problems with insomnia, anxiety, heart palpitations, feeling tired all the time, and it can actually deplete your body of certain vitamins and minerals that are needed to cope. So if you're under stress, there are certain things that we can do to help. We can measure certain vitamin levels. We can also do a 4-part cortisol level. And then we have very specific protocols where we can help you get back into a better rhythm. Sometimes balancing your hormones, including your thyroid as well as the sex hormones, can help. And again, we have some great supplements as well as nutritional IVs. All of these things can help you regain the balance that you're looking for so that you don't feel so stressed out. So we can help you, and there's no need to be stressed out all the time, and we hope to see you soon.
Hi, Dr. Saxena here, Chief Medical Officer at Forum Health. Thanks for visiting our channel. Make sure to subscribe to get the latest insights and information on functional and integrative medicine.